Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another April Dupes video because a long time ago, I thought April Fool's, April Dupes, how cute. So now, the whole month of April, we do dupes videos. I purchase all of these products with my own money. None of this is sponsored. I have a whole playlist because we have been doing April Dupes for many years. So I have a whole playlist for you to enjoy. I will link it down in the description box below, so if you are looking for a particular dupe, you can check out that playlist to see if I have figured out a dupe, found a dupe, tested a dupe. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. There are reasons for dupes like price reasons, brand reasons, ingredient reasons. There are so many reasons for dupes. Again, I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about them, but I think that dupes are fun. I think it gives the buyer more options. I understand when very large brands steal independent brands' ideas and things like that. We're not talking necessarily about those dupes. It's more about like huge brands competing with other huge brands. So in today's video, the dupe that we are facing off with each other is the MAC Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick against the Essence Juicy Balm Glossy Butter Balm. And I found these, I believe that they're similar. I've looked at some ingredients now and realized that they are slightly different, and we will get in that in the video. But here is the box for MAC. This is what the actual packaging looks like. The lid, it's like a lipstick balm type of a thing. This is $26. You get 0.08 ounces or 2.3 grams. It comes in 10 translucent shades. You can find it at Ulta, MAC. I don't know if you can get it at Sephora. And I don't know where else MAC is sold other than like a MAC store or MAC online. But I got mine from Ulta. It says, plumping gloss stick that nourishes and conditions lip with translucent color and non-sticky shine. It says the key ingredients are coconut oil, shea butter, and avocado oil. And I did not realize that this was plumping. So it says ginger root oil, capsaicin extract, and menthol crystals, cool and plump. So that is the main difference between these two, is that this has like actual plumping ingredients with the ginger root and capsaicin, whereas the Juicy Balm does not have those plumping agents. So this is going to be a little spicy, a little tingly, and this one will not be, which is also really good in case your lips, like mine, can't handle the plumping spiciness. The Essence Juicy Balm Glossy Butter Balm Stick is 0.08 ounces, so they are the exact same size. They come in a very similar component, but different colors. This is $3.99 to $4.99, which gives you a savings of, what, $22 to $21 depending on where you buy it. I got mine from Ulta. You can also buy it on Essence. I don't know if the Juicy Balm Glossy Butter Balm Sticks are widely available in like popular retailers like Target and Walmart and things like that, but I do know that Ulta has them as well as online. This comes in 6 shades, and they do have very similar shades to the MAC Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick. And this one says glossy finish for smooth and plump looking lips. This is fragranced. Its key ingredients are coconut oil and shea butter, just like this. And it is cruelty-free and vegan. I do not believe that MAC is cruelty-free or vegan. Let me look. Yeah, it says MAC is not cruelty-free, but it is vegan. But I did not see any claims of this being particularly vegan on the website. It says all MAC products are vegan, meaning they do not contain any animal-derived ingredients. So MAC is not cruelty-free, but they say that all of their products are vegan. This from Essence is cruelty-free and vegan, and they do share 2 of the same key ingredients of coconut oil and shea butter. I did not see anything about this being fragranced. and I don't believe it has much of a fragrance to it. The Essence Juicy Balms, depending on what color you do get, they are fragranced because they are like a fruit sort of situation. If you are unfamiliar with how we test dupe products on my channel, I like to try to use them side by side so that we can see if they look the same, perform the same, act the same, all that jazz. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the Essence Juicy Balm on this side, and we are going to use the MAC Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick on this side. I hate that name, MAC. Squirt, like MAC Squirt. Alright, so just to show how similar these components are, we're going to... Ooh, ASMR. They are pretty much the exact same. The delivery system is the same, and from what I understand and how I understand using these products, you want to not twist it up so much. You just want to use like a little dabble, do ya? I have used the Essence once before because I wanted to get the actual feel right to see if it would be the exact same as the Squirt. So first we're going to use the Essence on this side of my lips. Glossy, nice sheer color, goes on really easy and smooth, very nice. And now we're going to use the MAC Squirt on this side of my lips. Nice and definitely glossy. There is a lot less color coming from the MAC than there is the Essence. So if you're looking for a colored, like tinted gloss balm, then the Essence is where you're going to want to be at. I do feel the tingling plumping of the MAC on my lips. So if that is something that you are sensitive to, I would say stick with the Essence. These are the exact same feeling going on. I'm going to swatch them on my hand. That's the Essence. It's very colored and pigmented. And then the MAC is a much more translucent color. As you can see, these two are very, very similar colors. So the MAC, I have Heat Sensor in 12, and then in the Essence, it's One in a Melon. It's like the watermelon fragrance scent. But as you can see, the Essence has much more pigment to it, and the MAC Squirt is a lot more of like a translucent, like it says, a translucent color, so you're not actually getting much of the color payoff. Side by side, you're seeing that kind of mimicked from my hand to my lips. This side where the Essence is a lot more pigmented, and this side is a lot less. It's more of a translucent gloss. However, they both are giving the same amount of shine, and the main difference on the lips is that the MAC has that capsaicin, ginger root, menthol-y, plumping feeling to it, whereas the glossy butter balm from Essence does not have any like burning sensation or like tingling to it. So that's the biggest difference between these. So whereas I do feel like they're very similar products and kind of can pass as dupes for each other, what's actually great about this dupe in particular is one of them doesn't have the plumping sensation to it. So if you're sensitive to that, or your lips are sensitive to that, then there is an option out there for you that gives you the same glossy feeling on your lips, application, packaging, everything, and you're not going to get that plumping sensation. My lips are very, very sensitive, and I actually don't like a lot of plumping glosses, but I will say, as I have this one on, having that menthol in there is really making it a lot more comfortable on the lips. The verdict being, I believe that these are dupes, but they have a few different qualities, which makes this actually the perfect dupe, because if you are looking for something that doesn't have those spicy plumping qualities but gives you maybe a little bit more color but still has that glossy nourishing effect with the coconut oil and shea butter, then the Essence Juicy Balm Glossy Butter Balm is going to be the way to go. It's also going to save you, what, $22 to $21. This is only like $4 or $5 on the market, whereas this is $26, and it doesn't have as much color payoff either. But then if you're sensitive to fragrance and you like that plumping quality, maybe you want to save up your pennies and invest in the $26 MAC, because it doesn't really have a fragrance, whereas the Juicy Balms from Essence do have fragrance in them for that like fruit-like quality, because of their different colors. There's 6 different shades. They have them all like fragranced to be different fruit. So again, they look the same on the lips. They have slightly different qualities to them. If you're looking for price, go with Essence. If you're looking for plumping, go with MAC. If you're looking for fragrance and color, go with Essence. But these two are performing very, very similar. And even the texture of the glosses feel the exact same on the lips. The packaging is the exact same. They're the exact same size, as well as the components that the product is in acts the exact same with the little clicky sticks. It's the exact same product. So again, I think that this is a really good dupe. I will leave the information for these down in the description box below, so if you're interested in them, you can check them out on your own time. But the balms feel the exact same. The only big difference that I'm seeing is the Essence has a little more color. The MAC has that spiciness, that mentholiness with a ginger root and capsaicin. So I will link these down in the description box below. If you have tried either of these, please let me know down in the comment section below. I do think that these are like pretty much the exact same, minus the plumping. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more dupes. Thanks so much for watching, guys.